Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to share a quick and easy tutorial for how to go live on Instagram. Going live on Instagram is a fantastic way to connect with your audience. I know it might be scary to go live at first, but I promise you it's not that bad, and once you get used to it, it can even be a little fun. All right, so let's dive into how to do it. I have my phone right here. I am going to open up the app. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click the little camera icon top left as though you were going to post an Instagram story. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, so you can either go live with the camera this way, or if you click on the arrows at the bottom here, you can also go live and look at my window and screen. Okay, so towards the bottom of your screen, you're going to slide it over to the left to where it says live. I'm going to flip my camera back. Okay. Bit frizzy hair, whatever, we'll deal with that later. So as you can see, it's going to show you which of your followers are active now, and it says that it'll notify some of them. I really wish they would just notify all of them, but you know, there we go. Okay, so let me show you this. I'm going to go live, then I'm also going to show you what it looks like from the viewer's perspective. All right, so let's click this button in the middle here. It's really super simple, that's all we have to do. Okay, awesome. So now we are live. Hey guys, I am just filming a tutorial right now on how to go live on Instagram. So that's what I'm doing right here. So many phones and cameras at the moment. So this is what it looks like, and you will see as people start to come join, their names will pop up at the bottom and you can click to wave to them. So Lauren's here. Hey Lauren, I can click on the little wave and that will send her a wave. So yeah, we have a few options there. Hey guys, hey. Hey guys, hey Elise. Elise is the Instagram pro, so make sure to go check out her channel as well after this. Guys, I'm filming a tutorial right now on how to go live on Instagram. Okay, so awesome. So you'll see some icons across the bottom. Okay, so if I click on that little icon there, I can add a filter while live. It's quite convenient, you know, if you don't feel like doing makeup, just pop one of those on. Okay, so then if I click this icon here, I can invite people to go live with me, so that's great. So if I wanted to, I could invite Elise there. Elise, let me know in the comments if you want to go live and be in this YouTube video right now. Okay, then if I click on the little airplane mode, then I can click on that and send this over. Send that. Okay. Guys, I have two phones. I got a whole little setup right now. This is hilarious. Look at this shot right now. This is going to be a really funny thumbnail, guys. I got like two phones, got a whole thing going. So now you can send your live video to people, but I can imagine that would get a little distracting, so not really going to recommend that one. But yeah, you can do that. Hey guys, just filming a tutorial right now on how to go live on Instagram. I also wanted to show you what it looks like when someone asks a question. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you're live from the perspective of your follower. Okay, so it's really good because it will push your profile to the top area of Instagram and it will say live. So it is definitely still a really good idea to do this to basically embrace any new feature that Instagram comes out with, because they'll often prioritize it, they'll notify more people, and they'll show you towards the top. So now I'm going to click there and I can see the live video. I want to show you what it looks like for the viewer. Okay, not the best quality, but you get the idea. Okay, so that is what it looks like. And then if I wanted to ask a question, I can click on this little question icon and then I can ask a question. Hey, what's this video about? Okay, cool. So I just asked a question, and then because I've asked a question, over here on my live video, it tells me that I have a question there and shows a little one. So I'm gonna click on that now. This is quite the little balancing act, you guys. This is making me laugh. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. As you can see, it's showing me the one. And click that, and I can see that question there. I can click that. So that is what it looks like from the viewer's perspective. Okay, so let's keep going with what the viewer sees. So you'll see me answer that question. You can also give this video some hearts, right? So as the viewer, you can do that, and you can also, you'll see all these different reactions as well that you can comment. And you can also, of course, just leave any comment that you want. Any comment here. Okay, cool. This is the most balancing act tutorial I've ever done. So those are your options, and what's cool is when you do that, it changes it to say Q&A because you're answering questions. So I do like the way that that appears, so let me X out of here and show you what that looks like now. So yeah, that's really cool. And then when you're done with your live, you're simply going to click end top right. Okay, so you're gonna click end, then end now. Okay, great. So then from here, if you want, you can share to your story. You can also download, but you can only download right at this point. So make sure to not forget this. Okay, so you're gonna click this arrow top left. You're gonna download there. And then if you wanted, I could click share to story, and that will actually save to my story and be viewable for the next 24 hours. So that is an option as well. Okay, awesome. So that is my quick tutorial of how to go live on Instagram. As you can see, Instagram is always adding new features and functions to make it even more fun and engaging for us. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video.